linking events to real business impact. Here's the difference. Finance SharkAI goes beyond summarizing headlines, analyzes development, predicts affected sectors and stocks by news, translating events into actionable market impact. Every day, Finance SharkAI scans and analyzes hundreds of articles. Macroeconomics, earnings, policy, geopolitics, distilled for you. In markets, speed isn't enough. Precision is power. Finance SharkAI gives you calm, confident edge like real sharks. Finance SharkAI, professional-grade, trustworthy platform for serious investors. Not hype, not spam, just short, sharp, high-quality insights. It's flexible, affordable, tailored. Most tools drown you in charts and alerts. We cut the noise. Fundamental news analysis beats guesswork. Finance SharkAI, AI-driven news intelligence for long-term investors. Trade with clarity, conviction, hunt like a shark. See tomorrow's market story today.